QuickBooks Online QBO is ideal for Airbnb hosts to track income, expenses, cleaning fees, supplies, and taxes. Use QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced for best results, inventory, project tracking, and class each location features. Setup steps: sign up and choose industry. Create a QBO account. During setup, select real estate or hospitality industry to get a relevant chart of accounts, COAs. Customize chart of accounts. Go to Accounting, Chart of Accounts, add or edit categories, income, Airbnb, guest revenue, cleaning fees, extra guest fees, expenses, cleaning services, linens and supplies, utilities, repairs and maintenance, Airbnb service fees, property insurance, property taxes, assets, furniture and fixtures, security deposits, liability. Enable class or location tracking. Settings, account and settings, advanced, categories. Turn on track classes or track locations. Create classes for each property, for example, downtown apartment, beach house, to separate profit and loss by listing. Connect bank and payment accounts. Banking, connect your personal or business bank account plus Airbnb payouts via Plaid or manual import. Airbnb deposits usually appear as Airbnb Inc. or Airbnb payments. Record income and expenses use sales. Invoices for direct bookings or manually categorize Airbnb payouts. Banking for review, categorize as Airbnb guest revenue. Add recurring expenses, rent, share mortgage, utilities, Wi-Fi, via expenses, recurring transactions. Track key reports. Run profit and loss by class to see profitability per property. Use tax summary for Schedule E, rental income prep. Monitor cash flow for occupancy-related cash needs.